In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your eBay account name in under 2 minutes. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, so don't worry. We're going to walk through these steps together to make your eBay experience even better. First things first, you'll want to log into your eBay account. Go ahead and open your web browser and head to eBay's official website. Once there, enter your username and password. It's important to make sure that your login information is correct so you can access your account smoothly. Now, assuming you're all logged in, let's move on to the next step. Once you're on the eBay homepage, look towards the top left corner of the screen. You should see your name there, which indicates you're logged in. Hover your mouse over your name and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, select Account Settings. This is where you'll be able to manage all things related to your account, including changing your username. After clicking Account Settings, you'll find yourself on a page with several options for customizing your account. What you're looking for here is personal information. Click on this link and you'll be taken to a new page where all your personal details are listed. Scroll through this information until you find your current username. Right next to your username there's an Edit button. Go ahead and click it. This button is your gateway to updating your username to something new and exciting. Once you've clicked Edit, a field will appear allowing you to enter your desired new username. Take a moment to think about this, as it's your chance to create a name that reflects your identity or business on eBay. Remember to pick something that is easy to spell and represents you well. After you've carefully chosen a unique new username, go ahead and type it in. Double check for any spelling errors or typos to avoid having to repeat this process. Once you're confident with your choice, there's just one more thing to do. The final step is to click Save. By doing this, you're confirming the change and updating your username across the eBay platform. And just like that, you've successfully changed your eBay username in under 2 minutes. You've now completed the process and your eBay presence has a fresh new look. Remember that changing your username doesn't affect your purchase history or saved items, so feel free to update it anytime you want a change. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this was helpful. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more useful tips and tricks.